Today we're going to talk about the K2 multi-mount. So we have a series of different options for mounting to composition asphalt shingle roofs. We've got metal flashings and a whole series of mounting systems that use our EverSeal. The EverSeal is a self-sealing butyl that is pre-installed on the base of some of our composition and our tile products. So we have introduced this product to have a wide variety of options for mounting to the roof. So you can attach to the rafter with 2 different options or to the decking with the number 14 screws. So the product itself doesn't come with a lag screw option included in the box. It's pretty standard to use a 5/16 or these number 14 screws, which you can order through our website separately. So that way you have the option of what's best for your installation. So the rafter attachment options, you have 2. A 5/16 lag screw like you see here in whatever length is preferable to you is a very common way to mount with a single bolt going into the rafter down this center hole here. So a 5/16 with a sealing washer can allow you to do that pretty easily, very standard. That's a great option, pretty standard in the industry. And another option for rafter attachment is 2 number 14 screws going to these 2 holes here, also going to the rafter. So we test for pull-out and shear for all of these systems and all of these screw attachments, and that is built into our design software tool where you can go onto base and design your system, find out what kind of spans you get in your area in that zip code for that array. The other option that you can look at is a deck attachment option. So here we have 4 number 14 screws by 3-inch length, and those are designed to go into the 4 corners to do a deck attachment. So we always recommend going to the rafter, the structural framing of the building, a better engineered system. It's just stronger, you can get better spans depending on where you are, but the option of deck attachment is there for you if it is a good solution to your system. It can also be something that is mixed in with rafter attachments. So for example, if you have a cantilever, like you see here, this is a little short cantilever, but if you had a really long cantilever and your next rafter is just outside of the array or maybe too close to the edge where you can see the mount and you want to tuck it in, but that next mount tucked in is really far and your extension of that rail cantilever is too much, you can actually use one of these mounts and go to the decking and support that rail, support a better cantilever, and accomplish that aesthetic feel that you want of the system. So lots of good options here. Another one that we put in is an open channel L-foot. So you can drop your hardware, your T-bolt here, drop it right into the mount itself very easily, and it gives you a little bit more options for getting the system a little higher. So you have a couple inches of adjustability in this system where you can get it down tight to the roof, or you can bring it up high, a little higher to get some airflow underneath the system. So check our website for the specs, the installation instructions. We have more videos, and you can also order a sample. So thanks for your time, and let us know if you have any questions.